Hey y'all, you like old tractors? Well, remember the Farmall 856 from the other day? I said I forgot the keys, and yeah, because we hadn't had it, but like at that point, really and truly less than an hour. Well, let's climb up on that baby and fire it up. Alright, dig out my keys. You have to excuse me, I'm kind of doing this one-handed. Oh, climb up on this baby. All right, find out which key it is. All right, there's that, and contact. And she sounds healthy, doesn't she? I mean, look at the view up here. You can see everything. You can even see the sun-bleached top of mold. There's Jesse riding around his project for today. There's the old sun-bleached F-150. See everything. So, just a little reminder, you know, get out there, ride through the country, y'all. You like these old tractors? They're sitting on fence rows. They're sitting in barns. Go out. If you don't see a house, a neighbor's going to see you looking, and more than likely, a neighbor's going to tell whoever owns that, hey, there was some Joe Blow out there looking at your old tractor. Somebody can get a hold of you. So leave a number. Just leave a sticky note in a Ziploc bag, put it on the steering wheel. Somebody will find it. And it's just that easy to acquire these old fence row tractors. So get yourself a hobby and go find you an old tractor. Go find you an old car. Go find you an old pickup truck. Keep these things out of the crusher. Keep them out of the salvage yards. I mean, they're kind of a necessary evil, but if we can keep the good ones out of there, that's one up for everybody in the hobby. So, again, I just want to thank everybody for tuning in, listening to me babble. Give me a like, follow, subscribe, all that good stuff. I will be at the Classic Green show in Lebanon, Tennessee. I guess it's next weekend. You'll see the fat boy out there with his hat and the shirt, and all it says Otis did it again. Come up, introduce yourself. I'll be happy to meet y'all. So here's some of me driving the 856 in the shop. Y'all have a great day. I put her in high range. She's already in first. Listen to this baby. Y'all have a good one.